Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the collision models of oligopoly. Collision models of oligopoly. First we have to understand the meaning of collision oligopoly. According to the Macmillan Dictionary of Modern Economics, collusion means an agreement between the firms to cooperate in order to avoid mutually damaging rivalry. Oligopolists enter into an agreement to establish the price and output levels in the market. The collusion may be either or tacit, mean secret. The collusive oligopoly is banned most of the countries to protect the customers. Here we understand the collusion. Firms can avoid uncertainty arising from the interdependence. So here they can avoid price wars, rise prices of the product, and they can increase their profits. Here we can understand the profit maximization by collusion. So the two forms of collusion, that is first one cartels and second one is price leadership. The two forms of collusion is the cartels and price leadership. So first we have to take one by one forms of collusion, that is the cartels. First we have to understand in detail what is the cartels. The collusive oligopoly is banned most of the countries to protect the customers. Here we understand the collusion. Firms can avoid uncertainty arising from the interdependence. So here they can avoid price wars, rise prices of the product, and they can increase their profits. Here we can understand the profit maximization by collusion. So the two forms of collusion, that is first one cartels and second one is price leadership. The two forms of collusion is the cartels and price leadership. Cartels refers to the group of firms that enter into the agreement regarding uniform price output policies to be pursued by them. Firm jointly fixes the prices to be charged and output to be sold in the market. Since all the firms in the group implement the joint decisions, cartels are regarded as perfect form of collusion. Cartels to be regarded as a perfect form of collusion. Cartels, a group of firms that enter into the agreement, it means they mutually agreed to uniform price output policies. So it is the best example of collusion. The cartels is the best example for collusion. It means perfect form of collusion. The aim of cartels. What are the aims of cartels? We can understand here. Cartels aiming at joint profit maximization. Cartels aiming at joint profit maximization, that is maximization of industry's profit. Second one, the second aim of cartels, sharing of the market. Sharing of the market. Cartel has the joint profit maximization policies. In this joint profit maximization, the aim of cartel is to maximize industry's profits. So to increase the industry's profits, it appoints an administrative agency or authority to decide the profits, how to increase the profit. In a sentence, we can say a centrally administrative agency is appointed by the cartel that has the authority to decide the profits and so on. First, we have to how to increase its profits. We have to understand it in this way. A centrally administrative agency is decides the total quantity to be produced in order to attain maximum group profits. And this centrally monitoring agency decides price at which the output must be sold. Allocation of total output among each firm. Administrative agency decides distribution of profits among the each firms.